Hey Polkadot lovers, a powerful search tool is coming in handy for us. Enter Polkabot AI with our guidelines. You're watching How to Use on Polkadot Insider. Polkabot AI is a trusted AI-powered education for the Polkadot ecosystem built on Origin Trail and NeuroWeb.AI. It's currently in the beta phase. And here's our brief introduction to how to use Polkabot AI. Step 1. Access Polkabot AI. Users are not required to connect wallets or create an account. Step 2. You can choose between search and chat mode. Search mode extracts highly relevant parts of knowledge assets and return them unedited in their original state, while chat mode uses extracted knowledge assets to summarize relevant information, leveraging a large language model for clarity and minimizing AI hallucinations. Step 3. Here are some example questions to help you acquaint yourself with this tool. Additionally, input your own query for AI-generated responses using information from Polkadot's knowledge assets. So there you go. Experience Polkabot AI before its launch and let us know what you think. We'll see you in our next videos.